Hello everyone. Today's topic is the CompTIA Cloud Essentials course. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss the CompTIA Cloud Essentials course. Roadmap, About Course, Eligibility Criteria, Roles, Responsibilities, and Salaries. Training Program. Now we are discussing the CompTIA Cloud Essentials course. The CompTIA Cloud Essentials course is designed for professionals who need a fundamental understanding of cloud computing and its impact on business operations. It covers essential cloud concepts, including deployment models, security, risk management, and the business value of cloud services. This course is ideal for IT and non-IT professionals looking to gain cloud literacy and make informed business decisions regarding cloud adoption. The key modules of this course include Cloud Concepts, which introduces cloud principles and characteristics of business principles of cloud environments, focusing on cost-benefit analysis and ROI, Cloud Governance, Risk, Compliance, and Security, which covers data privacy, compliance standards, and security risks, Cloud Service Models, detailing SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS, and Cloud Deployment Models, explaining public, private, hybrid, and multi-cloud strategies. Additionally, it includes Cloud Networking and Storage, which provides insights into cloud infrastructure, storage options, and networking fundamentals. CompTIA Cloud Essentials benefits business analysts, project managers, and IT professionals transitioning to cloud environments. It helps them understand the cloud's role in digital transformation and prepares them for cloud-related responsibilities. Completing this course enhances their career prospects in cloud computing, IT management, and digital strategy planning. Here are the eligibility criteria for the CompTIA Cloud Essentials course. Basic IT knowledge. While not mandatory, a foundational understanding of IT concepts, networking, and security is beneficial. Work experience. It is recommended that candidates have 6 months to a year of experience in an IT or business environment with exposure to cloud technologies. Non-technical professionals. Welcome. Business professionals, including project managers, business analysts, and marketing personnel involved in cloud-related decisions, can also enroll. Familiarity with cloud concepts. A basic awareness of cloud computing, including SaaS, IaaS, and PaaS models, is helpful but not required. Interest in cloud adoption and governance. Professionals involved in cloud adoption strategies, vendor management, and risk assessment are ideal candidates. No prior certifications needed. Unlike other IT certifications, CompTIA Cloud Essentials Plus does not require previous certifications like CompTIA A Plus or Network Plus. Business and IT alignment. Individuals working at the intersection of IT and business decision-making will benefit greatly from this course. Students and graduates, those pursuing degrees in IT, business, or management who want to gain cloud knowledge can enroll. Compliance and security professionals. Those dealing with risk management, compliance, and data security will find the course relevant. Executives and managers, professionals overseeing cloud initiatives, digital transformation, and business continuity planning can leverage this training for informed decision-making. Next, we discuss the roles and salaries in the CompTIA Cloud Essentials course. Cloud Support Specialist assists in cloud operations and troubleshooting and earns $50,000 to $70,000 per year. IT Business Analyst analyzes cloud adoption strategies for businesses. Salary ranges from $60,000 to $90,000 annually. Cloud Administrator manages cloud environments and services and earns around $65,000 to $95,000 per year. Project Manager, Cloud, oversees cloud-based projects and implementations. Average salary of $75,000 to $110,000. Cloud Sales Executive sells cloud solutions to businesses and earns between $70,000 to $120,000, including commissions. Cloud Security Analyst ensures cloud security and compliance. Salary ranges from $80,000 to $120,000. Technical Support Engineer, Cloud, provides troubleshooting and support for cloud services and earns $55,000 to $85,000 annually. Cloud Consultant advises businesses on cloud strategies. Salaries range from $80,000 to $130,000. Systems Engineer, Cloud, designs and deploys cloud infrastructure and earns $90,000 to $130,000 per year. Cloud Governance Specialist, manages cloud compliance and policies. Salary ranges from $85,000 to $125,000 annually. The last topic is training program. GoLogica offers complete CompTIA Cloud Essentials training designed to provide you with the fundamental knowledge needed to understand cloud computing concepts and their impact on business operations. This course covers the core principles of cloud services, helping you understand key topics such as cloud architecture, service models, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, deployment strategies, and cost management. You will also learn about cloud security, governance, risk management, and compliance frameworks, ensuring a well-rounded understanding of cloud adoption. Additionally, the course explores cloud service management, providing insights into performance monitoring, troubleshooting, automation, and best practices for optimizing cloud environments. You will gain hands-on experience with cloud-based solutions, enabling you to make informed business decisions and align cloud strategies with organizational goals. The training also covers ethical considerations, risk mitigation, and compliance standards for secure cloud implementations. GoLogica CompTIA Cloud Essentials training prepares you for roles such as Cloud Support Specialist, IT Administrator, Cloud Business Analyst, and Cloud Consultant. Upon completion, you will receive a certification validating your expertise. Additionally, GoLogica provides resume building support, interview preparation, and 24/7 expert assist, ensuring you are well prepared for a successful career in cloud computing.